Hey fellow YouTubers, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very useful device to measure the frequency of alternating magnetic fields, such as seen with induction cooktops, Tesla coils, phone chargers, that sort of thing. So this uses a simple kit. This is the mod that I made to it. I have this coil of 30 gauge wire, and it's 100 turns of wire, and across it is connected, the output of the wire is connected to anti-parallel 12-volt Zenas, and those prevent the output of the coil being greater than 30 volts, which is the maximum rating of the input for the frequency counter. There are many videos out there on how to put these kits together, and all the components came lumped together in a bag with these instructions, and then it's powered from a 5-volt charger. And you know that you've put this thing together right, because when you buy the kit, and if you follow the instructions correctly and solder it all together, when you plug it in, the 4th digit should come on. Now it has a jumper here, and if the jumper's in the down position, that is a frequency meter. If the jumper's in the up position, if it's here instead of here, then you can plug quartz crystals in there and it'll measure the frequency of the quartz crystals. And here is the thing that runs it. This is basically what measures the frequency, which is a microprocessor. So without further ado, let's go ahead and test this out. So here I'm going to put it right next to a wireless phone charger to find out what the frequency is. And here you can see it's around 55.7 kilohertz. Okay, here's a circuit that I made known as a jewel ringer. I've never known what the frequency of this thing is, and it looks like it oscillates around 14.2 kilohertz. Okay, here we're going to test it with an induction cooktop. Let me just turn this thing on and see if it works. So it looks like it's around 18 kilohertz. And I can be quite far away from it and it still picks up. Here I have a solid-state Tesla coil that oscillates around 540 kilohertz. I have my probe here. Let's check it out with this Tesla coil. Here goes. I'm just going to put it near it. I'm more than a foot away from it. I've just put it on the table next to the coil, and there's the frequency. Here's an Apple Watch charger. Around 20 kilohertz. So here's a few examples of some of these kits which you get on eBay. That's where you can get the most variety of them. And they range in price from about $5 to about $12. They're all the same product, basically. And the PDF instructions, which I'm going to show you next, apply to all of these because they pretty much all program the same way. So here's the link. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful for making your own magnetic field frequency detector. Please check back and don't forget to subscribe.